How to create bootable USB drive for Windows 11. A bootable USB drive allows you to install or reinstall Windows 11 on your computer. So if you are ready to get your hands on the latest version of Windows, stick around as we guide you through the steps to create a bootable USB drive for Windows 11. So let's get started. To begin, you'll need a Windows 11 ISO file which contains all the necessary installation files. You can download the official Windows 11 ISO file from the Microsoft website. After downloading the Windows 11 ISO file, you'll need to download and install Rufus. It's a popular tool for creating bootable USB drives. Rufus is available for free from the official website. Make sure to download the latest version compatible with Windows 11. Now connect a USB drive with sufficient capacity to your computer. It's recommended to use a USB drive with at least 8 GB of space to ensure you have enough room for the Windows 11 installation files. Now open Rufus on your computer. The Rufus interface will appear in the device section. Select your connected USB drive from the drop-down menu. Make sure you choose the correct drive to avoid any data loss. In the Rufus interface, you can configure additional settings as per your requirements. The default settings should work fine for most users. Once you have selected the USB drive and the Windows 11 ISO file, click on the Start button in Rufus to begin the bootable USB creation process. Rufus will format the USB drive and copy the Windows 11 installation files onto it. This process may take a few minutes, so be patient. And there you have it. You now know how to create bootable USB drive for Windows 11. You can install or reinstall Windows 11 on your computer with this bootable USB. Thanks for watching. Subscribe to our 5-minute solution for more videos.